Hello, thanks for dropping into the box room. I just thought I would do a little bit with this Deluxe Music Construction Set so you can better see what's actually going on the screen. So, if I want to open a score, it will go off to the disk drive and it will find something. You know what? Let me click on it. Okay. And it will come along. It will come up. And once it's in, you go up to the top, you say play song. I thought there was a way that it actually showed down below. Oh yeah, there it is. Cool. So then when we're done with that, we hold down the right button and we go to load score. And let's see what this one is. Nothing like the sound of an Amiga disk drive. Right, and I think it's still going to have the keys showing. We'll see. Maybe. Oh yeah. Lovely. So then we go back to holding down the right mouse button, open score, and what the heck? Let's go for a Bach. Play. So once again, holding down, went to the top, right button down, pick my spot. So there's a bunch of things here. And I'm sure I could do all kinds of things to change things, but all I want to do is essentially press play. Wasn't that lovely? Once again, right button, open score. Oh, I forget what we've done. I don't think we've done this. I just don't think so. Every new song is a mystery. Although, a lot of the things I hear say, oh yeah, I've heard that before. I don't think that. So we'll just right button and play song. Oh, there's also I can't really see it. There's a fast thing. A solid A, maybe a P would also do this, so you could do it from the keyboard. Let's see. I don't think we did that one before. Let's see if we can open something else here. Maybe we played this. Have we played this? Oh, I don't think so. I think I would have remembered that. Maybe not. So it seems it's in. And right button, play song. Well, that was quite, and I didn't realize that was by Scott Joplin. Anyway, well, I will explore more things, and maybe we'll find other things that would be nice to have the screen shot of, rather than me. And I think I found just the right distance so I don't get all the rolling and everything, so the screen looks fairly steady and stable. So thanks for coming. We'll see you again soon. Bye for now.